Welcome to the Business and AI podcast. In today's episode, we'll be exploring our very first book. It's called Competing in the Age of AI, and it's written by Marco Iansidi and Karim Lakani. We are starting with chapter 1, The Age of AI, which sets the stage for how artificial intelligence is transforming not only businesses but entire industries. We kick off with an amazing story, The Next Rembrandt. Imagine a painting that looks like it was made by the famous Dutch master himself. Yet, it wasn't created by human hands. It was entirely the work of AI. In 2016, the team from Microsoft and ING trained an algorithm on hundreds of Rembrandt's paintings using data and machine learning. The AI created a completely new artwork in his style. This example is just one glimpse of how AI is pushing boundaries, not just in art, but across every sector of the economy. So, what does this mean for business? The key idea in this chapter is that AI is changing the way companies function. Unlike traditional firms that rely on human decision making, AI driven companies use algorithms and data to make real time decisions. This allows them to function at massive scale and efficiency, performing tasks faster and often with greater precision than humans ever could. One company that exemplifies this shift is Amazon. The way Amazon uses AI from its recommendation engine to its warehouse logistics isn't just an invention or an innovation, it's a complete reinvention of how businesses operate. AI allows Amazon to scale infinitely, learning and improving as it grows. In contrast, traditional companies face constraints. More customers means more problem. But with AI, more customers simply mean more data and better service. And here is where it gets really interesting. AI is changing competition. Let's take the example of Kodak. When digital photography came along, Kodak struggled to adapt, and eventually the company's film based business became obsolete. But digital photography didn't just disrupt cameras, it enabled entire new industries like social media. Think about Instagram or Snapchat, companies that wouldn't even exist without the digital transformation of photography. And this isn't limited to photography. AI is driving similar transformations in finance, in retail, in healthcare, and many other industries. AI companies have three major advantages. They have scalability, they have scope, and learning. First, they can scale operations without limits of human driven processes. Second, they can expand their scope by integrating other digital systems at most, well, with no cost, actually, at almost no extra cost, except for computational costs. Yeah. Finally, AI powered companies get smarter over time. Each new piece of data makes their algorithm more accurate and efficient. This continuous learning loop is what sets them apart from traditional firms. To sum it up, Chapter 1 of Competing in the Age of AI paints a very clear picture. AI isn't just another technological shift, it's fundamentally changing how companies create, capture, and deliver value. To compete in this new era, businesses need to rethink their operating models and embrace AI as the core driver of their strategies. Thank you for joining today on our very first review of the book. And our review is basically on the first chapter. And in our next episode, we'll dive deeper into how companies are re-architecting themselves to survive and thrive in the age of AI. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, and I'll see you on the next chapter.